arms to the back. Then reverse it like you're swimming. All right, so 1, 2 up. 1, 2 and up. Be proud, I'm counting. Nice job. So I want to reach. Nice job. Woo! All right. I want 30 Russian twists. So we're getting down on our mat. All right. So point your toes up. Little twist, put in your pocket. That's 1. Okay, that's 10. Now try picking your feet up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, we have 10 more to do. Let's just do a little stretch. Oh, that feels good. One more time. Okay. Last 10, you pick. Heels there or up. Here we go. I'll do half and half. Oh. 10, nice job. Woo! All right, let's do some cobra push-ups. So come all the way down, or you could do a wall push-up right now. All right, let's do 15. So arms in tight. So come up, hold it, then come down. I like touching my nose to the mat for that. All right, you guys, count with me. 6, 7, go slow. 8, keep your elbows in. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, so now let's just fold it back. Okay, we're coming up. Walk it up. All right, give me some butt kickers. Take a little break. All right, I want 20 more. So, 2 count is 1. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going. 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Guess what? You just made it through circuit 1. Now we're going to do circuit 2. All right, get a drink. But keep moving in between. Turn those toes out. So we were 1, 2, reach up. 1, 2, reach up. Arms nice and big. Don't rush. Keep going. Hold it for 1, 2, 3, and come up. Nice, arms down. So we got 1, reach up to the side. All right, 2 more for good luck. Nice. Okay, we're getting down, Russian twists. Point those toes. Woo! All right, let's go straight arm this time. So we got 1, 2. So go down, down, make like a triangle. 3, 9, 10. Now go straight across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice. Go back to the twist. But this time, kick your feet up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, back to our Cobra push-ups. All right, arms in. Are we ready? We're doing 15. Here we go. Elbows in. Look up. Keep going. All right, you have 5 more. Count with me. 5. 4. 3. Woo. 2. 1 more. 1. Come down. Now fold it back. Nice. Come up slow. All right. We're doing butt kickers. Here we go. Swing those arms. Woo! All right, rest for a second. So we've got 20 left. So I'm going to do 10 regular. And then the last 10, I want you to finish it off as fast as you can. Try it. Woo! You can do it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready? Go for it. I think you can give me 10 more like that.